video demonstration goes along with the handout titled Exporting Graphs from SAS Graph Window. If you generate a graph that appears in the SAS Graph window, you can copy the file into Microsoft Word. The plot can be resized in Word, but it cannot be edited. In PowerPoint, the plot can be pasted in, and following the steps in this demonstration and also shown in the handout, it can also be edited. For example, inserting text boxes, modifying axes, and in general being able to prepare the plot for a presentation or a poster. We will start by using the treatment of mild hypertension dataset to create a box plot of baseline cholesterol levels by clinic. And once we've created the plot and see the graph in the SAS Graph window, I will show you how we can both copy the graph into Word as well as copy it into PowerPoint. So here is the box plot of baseline cholesterol levels for each of the 4 clinics. And we want to now take this plot and bring it into a Word document. So basically what we do, we click on the plot and do Edit, Copy, and then we go to Word and do a paste, special, and we're pasting a picture with an enhanced meta file. So here is our plot in Word. And again, we can change the size of the plot, but we can't edit any part of the plot. It's a picture. To bring the graph into PowerPoint, again, we are going to do an Edit, Copy in SAS. So we want to copy this. And then we're going to go to PowerPoint. So we have a blank slide in PowerPoint. And we're going to do a Paste Special and select Enhanced Meta File for the plot. So now we have our plot in PowerPoint. And we can change the size of it so that it fits in the screen. So we're just changing the size of the plot. And now in order to edit the graph, with the right mouse, click and select Edit Picture. And then click here, Yes, because this is an imported picture, not a group, and we want to convert it to a Microsoft Office drawing object. So click Yes. This will convert the image from a one-piece drawing into all of its component parts. However, some parts of the graphic will still be grouped. So we want to right-click the mouse again and select Ungroup. So let's right-click the mouse again, and we're going to select Group, Ungroup. And if we go over here, we're just going to click off these symbols. And then let's try again and just make sure we've ungrouped everything. Okay. And now you're going to see there's this little strange plus sign that's attached to my cursor. And we're going to press the delete key on the keyboard a couple of times to get rid of the plus sign. So I'm going to click delete. You still see the plus sign next to my cursor. Then I'm going to click delete again. Still see it. And finally, there's no longer a plus sign. So you need to keep clicking the delete key on your keyboard until you no longer see a plus sign on the PowerPoint slide. You just see the cursor. And once you've done that, you can now edit all parts of your plot. So if I wanted to change my title here and change the label to Clinical Center, I can do that. I can change the font. I can edit the y-axis label. I can edit each of the x-axis labels for clinic. I can then edit the title. So this allows you to take a SAS graph from the SAS Graph window, bring it into PowerPoint, and edit it to your specifications. This completes the demonstration.